Good morning. It is Thursday, December 5th, I believe. We're on the 5th. We're at the point in the week that I'm like desperate to wash my hair, but I can't because tomorrow morning is swim. So it makes no sense for me to wash my hair on Thursday. I feel like I feel this way every single Thursday. I mean, I could, but it makes no sense for me to wash my hair when tomorrow is swim first thing in the morning and I'm gonna get my hair. I mean, I don't dunk my head, but naturally I get, like, my hair gets wet when I go to swim class with Lila on Friday mornings. So I just have to suck it up and deal with this one day of icky hair. We're also at the point in the week where I really, do I wanna do a ponytail or do I wanna do like a low bun? No, I think we'll just do ponytail. We're also at the point in the week where my nails are looking a little bit rough and I would also like to paint those, but I have a nail painting date tomorrow with my friend Brooke. So I'm going to resist for one more day. Like, it's totally, they don't need to be done today. It's not that they like, nothing is super severe, like a major chip. The other issue with my nails is that I'm a picker. I am an ex-nail biter and I've since quit biting my nails except for this one friend. But you know what? 1 is better than 10. So I pick at my nail polish, and so as soon as some of it starts to come off, I'm like, oh, let me just pick at that a little bit more. But if I did that, I would spend Lila's whole nap, not her whole nap, but I would spend a good chunk of Lila's nap today painting my nails instead of all the other things I need to get done during her nap. And I'm gonna paint my nails tomorrow during her nap with my friend Brooke. So again, just gonna hold off for one more day with my nails and my hair. It is what it is. We'll show you my planner in a second. Well, maybe not. Maybe I'll just tell you what we've got going on today. We have Lila's 15-month doctor's appointment. I don't know why I wasn't expecting it. I mean, we did 9 or every 3 months for the first 12 months, which made sense to me. I mean, obviously it was more frequently earlier. She's never had a kid. The doctor's visits frequencies are, they go, it's like 2 days and then 2 weeks and then 1 month, 3 months, and then it's like every 3 months. So I don't know why I expected us to jump from 12 months to 18 months. So then when I was checking out her last appointment, they were like, all right, would you like to schedule the next one for like December? And I was, okay, sure. So anyway, so we have Lila's 15-month appointment today. And then depending on how long that takes, hopefully we have time to make it to story time at the library, which is so fun. One of the things I've been trying to do while Lila has transitioned to one nap is have an activity, have something that we do in the morning, and whether it's like purposely go run an errand, whether it's go to a class, whatever it is. In the first week that she transitioned, my mom was actually out of town. And so I think I signed up for a free class at like 4 different places that week, and we went to a class like every single day. But I wasn't about to pay for a class every single day. So I've been trying to figure out some less expensive options, and the library is perfect. And I remember like seeing the sign at the library about like this middle of the morning baby time that they have. It's like story time and songs and they have toys and all kinds of fun stuff. And I was like, oh, that's perfect, but it's right in the middle of her morning nap. So that doesn't work right now. But now it totally works. So as long as the doctor's appointment and traffic and everything works out, we should be able to make it to the library. Those are the morning plans. And then I have a bunch of stuff I want to get done during her nap, which I'll bring you along for. I have no idea what we're doing this afternoon. We have no plans. I haven't made a plan for dinner. We have a bunch of leftovers still in our fridge since Sam went to an event last night instead of eating leftovers. And so I'm like, we just may need to like clean out the fridge tonight. We'll see. Also, I wanted to quickly talk about my outfit. I have like a 2-piece matching set on. I bought this to wear to Wicked. I'll pop up a photo so you can see the whole thing. The lighting is probably not doing justice. It's like this beautiful green. It was like the perfect outfit for Wicked, but I also love it. It's so comfy and I can wear it like for days like today where we're going places. I want to look a little bit more put together, but still be totally comfy. I just noticed a bump in my hair. But like, that's why I put on earrings. I just put on chapstick. I didn't put on makeup today, but I still feel relatively put together. But they have it in a bunch of colors. If green is not your color, they have lots of options. I also bought, there was another set that I had tried that was a little bit more, I felt like it was a little bit more casual, like stay at home. It's like waffle material, and they had it in this like bright pink, and it went on sale for Black Friday for like 70-something% off. So I ended up buying it for myself. That one also comes in a bunch of colors. So I will link that one for you as well. Also, yes, the camera battery charger is in the bathroom. It's just the easiest place for it to be for me to like in the morning when I get in here before I start vlogging, I swap out the batteries to make sure that I have a battery ready to go. I love this little guy because I can see both of these are, oh no, that one, see how that one's still charging? Battery 2 is still charging. That's the one I just swapped it out for. But like, again, the battery saving tips I got for this camera are absolutely amazing. All right, here's my planner. It's basically everything I just said. And also we can go ahead and check off. I got my workout in. Yay. A couple more steps of my morning routine and then I'll be good to go. But like I said, this is the plan for today with this big, giant empty gap in the afternoon. All right, why is car lighting always the best? Leaving the doctor was good. I was wrong. There are shots at 15 minutes. So that's unfortunate for Lila. But now we cutting it a little bit close. According to the GPS, we are gonna get there with 3 minutes to spare for story time at the library, but I'm glad that we are able to make it happen. That's okay, no. You shake it? You shake it for mama? Okay, Lila is down for her nap. Let me open up the blinds. In our bedroom is just, which is where I've been keeping the advent calendars. It's just so dark in here and the overhead light does absolutely nothing. Anyway, we went to story time at the library, but it's like story time and songs. I'll pop up a few clips, videos I just grabbed on my phone. I really am struggling, not struggling, but really trying to figure out what is the balance just in regular life, not anything to do with like Vlogmas or YouTube or anything, between capturing moments, like especially when she's being cute and doing things and I like want to capture that photo or that video and then just like being in the moment. And so I've been trying really hard to like think about it when I'm in the moment. Let me capture one photo that I like and one video that I like. I did not do that today. I captured way more than one of each and then put my phone away and then I can just be in the moment. So that's what I've been kind of trying to do, but it's really something that I am very much working on. But she is down for her nap, so let's get to the advent calendars so I can get to work. Alrighty, tea advent calendar. I still haven't brought a little bowl in here for this. Come on, day 5. Holiday pear green tea. I'm not sure how I feel about that. There's been a lot of green teas. I mean, they're like different and unique. That's fine, I'll try it, I'll do it. Oh, and perfect timing, sweet kitty, would you like a toy? We are on day 4 of Charlie's box. Oh, kitty. I know somebody who's gonna wanna take this from you. Wanna play? No? Uninterested? Okay, moving on. Lila would love that toy, so she'll take that from you if you don't want it, kitty. All right, we're gonna give it another shot. I'm hoping that it's just maybe I'm a little stuffed up. These are still really hard. I have to, like, I have this little thing on our dresser that's got Charlie's like nail clippers and brush in there. I feel like I have to use her nail clippers to get it out. Santa's a bakery. Yum. I mean, it smells really good, except like, maybe like yesterday I'm gonna light it and it's gonna smell like nothing. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Okay, I'm going to get my tea made, candle lit, and get to my desk. Say hi, kitty. Okay, this is what happens when I don't look at my planner before I start doing things. So I sat down and just like got to work, at work stuff, and then did like all 3 of these things, and then went to go check them off and realized I was gonna do laundry. I am still trying to figure out a new rhythm for laundry since Lila switched to one nap. It is bananas how much my routine and schedule revolves around a small human going from 2 naps to 1 nap. But the other thing is that I feel like as soon as I get into a rhythm, we're going to move and my laundry situation is also going to change when we live in our own house with our own laundry and not share a laundry room with a bunch of other apartments. So no big deal. I'll just move it to tomorrow and I'll figure it out then. The good news is I got the rest of this stuff done. The tea, I'm enjoying it. It's very good. I almost added some honey. The tea flavors, by the way, are not super strong, but they're good. I like them. The candle is another fail, okay? Y'all, don't let me buy candle advent calendars anymore. They just don't work. All All right, I thought I would share I also did 2 December daily pages during this time. I kept things very, very simple. I decided to literally just do 1 photo. So this year, for the first time, Allie offered a little 4x6 album, which I purchased for a gift for someone else. I'm not gonna elaborate on that right now. And so inside it came all the 4x6 page protectors, and I didn't need all of them for what I was working on. So I decided to take this one and I hole punched it. I don't know if you can tell, like there is an extra hole here that's not getting used. But I did all of these holes myself. Well, no, I lined up, this hole already exists, and I lined it up with this one and then punched all the rest of them. So yesterday's story is just that I finished the tree and I took a picture of the finished tree. And then today I just took a photo from story time at the library and just kept it super, super simple. Reminding myself that done is better than elaborate in this case. Like I would rather be done with December daily on time than have all these elaborate things. And I know that there will be days that I have lots of photos and I want to do collages and I want to do lots of things. A lot of times the weekdays, unless we have plans, like it's not bad. So I love how this turned out. I also added another photo into the envelope that I took of her being cute at the doctor. So, all right, now I have a smidge bit of time left. Let me turn you around. It's that kind of weird in between where I could have a little bit of time until she wakes up, or I could have a lot of time until she wakes up. So I could do something significant. I could do nothing. I mean, if you look at the planner, I do need to order that gift. That's like the one thing I probably should get to. I don't like to use the word should, but it's on your planner, Laken. And it is on sale today. But part of me just wants to like read my book and do nothing. I think my mom and sister are going to come over later this afternoon. Well, my mom has to come back so we can do our wine and cheese. My mom went with us to the doctor because the doctor is not within driving distance. But my mom, I schedule the appointments when my mom's able to take us to the doctor. If I didn't have access, I was explaining this to somebody recently who was arguing with me about whether you need a car in the city. And I was like, and they were like, well, it doesn't, your mom gives you rides. And I was like, yeah, but like if my mom wasn't retired and willing to drive us to the doctor's appointments, I would have picked, there are pediatricians within walking distance of our apartment. I would have picked one of those. Or I would have accepted that like an Uber to and from the doctor was part of like would factor into our budget. And frankly, there are times that we like Uber places because we don't have a car. And like, so until the amount that we spend on public transit, like when we take the train or the bus and Ubers, is greater than what we would spend to own a car, which by the way, it's like not even close. Like, I mean, I haven't owned a car since I was in college. So I have no idea like now how much you would pay for insurance and gas and, all the things. You have to have special stickers to park in the city. Even there's so many costs associated with owning a car that I am sure it's going to take a really long time. I understand the convenience, don't get me wrong, but I feel like it's going to be a while before especially because we live in a city where even if we did choose to drive somewhere, you have to pay for parking. Like I pay for parking for us at the doctor. Like my mom drives us, but I pay for the parking. Now it is partially, what's the word? Subsidized, validated. That's the word I'm looking for. But it's not zero. But it's cheaper than us taking an Uber there and back, right? And so if we had a car, like that is a scenario we would choose to drive. Now, when we go out for date nights, right? When we go to dinner, we go to see a show, like, would we drive? I guess maybe because Sam may have a drink at dinner, but he's not going to drink during the show. So he could easily drive us home. But parking's expensive downtown at night. So maybe we would, like the Ubers are not, we actually typically train down when we go down for date night. We take the train to the theater district and then we Uber home. And so we probably spend $25, maybe 30 if Uber decides to jack up the prices because it's raining or whatever. Parking would probably be that. Sorry, I feel like I'm going on a rant right now because I feel like I had to defend myself the other day about why I don't want to own a car and I feel like I don't need it. Especially because our new home has a parking spot. So it's like, well, we have a parking spot. I still don't want a car. Okay, rant over. I'm going to go read my book. Bye. Okay, a couple things. Can you say hi, Squish? She woke up slightly after I finished that last clip, so I did not get a whole lot of reading time in. Yeah, do you see Charlie? But I got a lot more Lila time in, which was nice, given I didn't see her much Tuesday and Wednesday. Yeah. And so we've just been playing, hanging out. We came into the office to grab the camera because we're gonna open the cheese advent calendar before my mom gets back, and it smells good in here. So I had forgotten to blow out that candle when I left this room, and sorry. She's just so funny when she finds a picture that she loves. I also took off my nail polish. Anyways, it actually smells good in here. So maybe yesterday I just didn't give the candle long enough. I think those candles might just need a little bit more time before they actually like have a scent. So like I did not finish. I realized I didn't finish the story from earlier about my mom taking us to the doctor, and then she came with us to story time at the library, and then she dropped us back off after that because she has lots of Christmas shopping left to do. My mom goes above and beyond for Christmas. So she went off to Christmas shop, and that's what she's been doing. Okay, I feel like a lot of Vlogmas has been getting interrupted by Lila. I was chasing her down the hallway. Okay, my mom opened the wine. I'm gonna open the cheese and then we'll insert the clip of my mom opening the wine. She brought hers over this morning earlier when she came, but she's gonna grab my sister and they're gonna head back over and we're gonna hang out and have our wine and cheese. I guess we'll probably share with my sister, or she'll just have her own wine. Okay, why am I struggling? Oh, there's 4. Yeah, I know, Peanut. Okay, we have. You want Daddy to come rescue you? There's a lot going on that you can't see on this camera right now. Okay, so we have day 4 is the pesto cheese. So I don't know what wine she opened and what wine that goes with. I did not watch the clip that she sent me. And then here's day 5. But she was texting me to make sure that I took the cheese out of the fridge because apparently cheese is much better when it's not like super duper cold, I guess. The other one is a bruschetta cheese. Yum. Okay, insert BB cam here.
More wine. Let's see what we got. We got number 4, which is an Austrian white wine. Oh, yummy. And number 5, a Shiraz with a doodle on it.
This was some Austrian something or other. Did you try to pronounce it? I didn't watch your video.
No, I did not try to pronounce it.
Okay, I don't know what it is. It looks very dark.
Yes.
I feel like the lighting is not doing it justice.
No, it's not.
It looks very dark.
It's very dark.
Cheers. Cheers. Oh, hi, vlog. It's good. Say hi. It's cheese.
Oh my God, we did not have this cheese left.
Oh wait,
Say hi.
I'm eating the wrong one.
Oh.
And the 2 that we pulled out look so much alike.
Yeah, they do.
But we didn't have that other one either, the bruschetta one. Oh my God.
It tastes good with the cheese.
This pesto cheese.
It's so good.
Oh my gosh. Yum. Okay, I take back what I said the other day about it getting repetitive because I don't recall either of these things and they're delicious.
So good.
Sorry, Aldi, I apologize. Okay, this is a Shiraz.
Smells good.
It does smell good.
Ooh, yeah, it's yummy.
Oh, that's very good.
Now it's at the right temperature.
Yeah, it is. It's very good. And I've already taken a bite of this cheese.
That cheese is good too.
I think this one might be my favorite so far. Which is funny because I don't really like bruschetta because I don't like big chunks of tomatoes. Oh my gosh, this is so good.
So good.
Cheers. Oh my gosh. Y'all, seriously, if you live somewhere where you can get these advent calendars. I know I saw a comment from my VA who lives in New York, and she was like, I should get it next year, and I'm so sorry that you cannot because they do not sell it in New York because stupid liquor laws. But if you live somewhere that you can get it,
Worth it.
worth it. Okay, I'm gonna close out the vlog here because I think after Lila goes to bed, we're gonna go grab a drink. And so I just wanna go ahead and close it now so I don't have to worry about it later. If anything comes of our adventures this evening, I will include it in tomorrow's vlog since, there's another one tomorrow. So that is gonna be it for this vlog. If you made it all the way to the end, comment with a book emoji for library story time. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button. I upload new videos every week focused on helping you achieve your goals and every day here during Vlogmas. See you tomorrow. Say bye, everybody. Let me say that again.